Twisted Love. Good morning, everyone. Can I? Do you see my hair? I need to leave my house and go buy moves. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 10:38. I've been up since 8, just not really wanting to do anything. I've been reading, so yeah, but it is time for me to be productive. Spring break starts for me as soon as I finish my 2 online classes. I have 4 assignments in total left to complete, and you know, spring break will fully begin for me. And I just don't want to do them, but they're due tomorrow. But I just would rather do them today because I want to go to the beach tomorrow. And I believe I am. I officially hopped in the bandwagon and I am reading the series of Twisted Love. Twisted Love. My friend and I started this book together, and we're literally like, she reads faster than I am, so she lets me catch up with her and all that stuff. But I have literally been reading it without her when she left my house yesterday. And like, I'm kind of like at my halfway region, and we're in chapter 8 or 9 with each other, and I'm like inhaling this book. I kind of want to be done with it today, but we'll see how that goes. So remember when I said I had things to do today and I need to get everything done in order for me to have a very successful spring break? I didn't do anything. It is 5:51 and I just finished reading Twisted Love. Guys, like I literally was supposed to be reading this book with my friend, and I quite literally kept reading it. Okay, I'm not gonna spoil the book because I don't know if any one of you guys will want to be reading it. How would I rate this book out of 5 stars? I'd give it a 4. I'm not gonna give it a full 5 for the sole purpose. Somewhere in the middle, I felt like the plot got a little rushed. Like when we were talking about Ava and her dad, I was like, why didn't we talk more about that? Like, we kind of like rushed it. And there's one typo. I found a typo. I found one typo because it was bugging me. There were probably others, but that's the only one I noticed. But I mean, besides those 2 things, this was a good book. But now I just need to read Bridget and Reese like love story. Like, I need it. On.
Gotcha. There you are. I got a spicy biscuit hash brown.
Thank you. Thank you. Don't you know that you run the game? Your world will never be the same. Oh. That was a lot.
I'm going to cry. Like, I need to listen to it.
Yeah, I ate that shit up. I know y'all saw that. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Who shuffled these cards?
Shit! This is a few days later. I didn't like the intro I made, so I'm literally going to be redoing it again. But as we all know, I started reading the Twisted series. This is literally what this whole vlog is basically about. Read Twisted Love, love her, rated her 4 out of 5. Good things, yada yada. Love Alex, Ava, meh. Okay, after this, I read, literally after the beach, I went to Barnes & Noble, as we already know, and I got the second book, Twisted Games, and this is Reese and Bridget's, like, story and everything. Guys, like, oh my god, literally ate it up in less than 12 hours. Like, that's how good this book was. And I was just like, oh my god, I just need to get the third and the fourth one at the same time, because I already know I like the series. If I didn't like the series, I wouldn't have kept going back and buying it. So on Sunday, after I watched Dune with my friends, we went to the Target because there was the Twisted series was like 20% off, and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get it and all that stuff. Plus I had gift cards. I wound up paying for these last 2 books together a total of $9. You guys, like, god thank you. So I bought these books yesterday. Didn't have any of my tabs on me. Came home obviously, and I got my tabs and I started reading Twisted Hate. This is basically Josh and Joel's like whole story and everything. And like, I'm like 3 or 4 chapters in and I'm just like eating it up right now. Twisted Love has a 3.5 out of 5 stars. Twisted Games, I'm gonna give a 4 out of 5. Reese is a lot more loving than Alex is. And I don't know, I just, like, I love the love in this. But, like, Alex, I don't know. Anyways, I really hope that you guys liked this video. It was very short and cute and straight to the point. Let me know if you like more videos like this as an architect student. See you guys in the next vlog.